Just thought I'd put a drone up and have a look at what it's about after I shot these pigs overnight. And they usually disappear within a few hours of being shot. And after a day, there's not a thing left, not a bone, not a hair. It's very dry at the time. It's really dried out. Excessive heat. 48-degree days for the last month. So, yeah, there's a lot of pigs and a lot of damage out here. And the first pack of wild dogs I've seen in 3 years. Yeah, I was hoping to find the wild dog I shot out here where this pig is. He was about another 100 yards just out of picture. Didn't pick it up with the drone, and pretty annoyed with myself I didn't pick it up, but oh well, that's how it is. But I hope you enjoyed this video. Yeah, the old saying, the early bird gets a worm, but in this case the crow gets the eyeball. You need to check out the pig. The eyes are the first thing that goes, then the entrails, and then the meat. I watched the fox on both of these pigs last night.